It tastes so good.
Good. These cookies are melting in my mouth.
And they're like huge.
They're big and so fun to devour.
And like some are crispy and some are chewy, but they're both so good. And I don't know how, but like, yeah.
It's like mixed into a beautiful cookie. And it's perfect.
And it's big.
And it's perfect.
And it's also
Hi. Okay, today we're going to be making M&M cookies for Father's Day.
First thing you're going to need is 1 stick of butter. Put it in a bowl.
Smack the bowl.
Smack the bowl.
Make sure you get all of it out. Now we're going to mash it.
Mash. Monster.
Now you want to add 1/4 cup of white sugar. Scoop it and unscoop it into the bowl.
Sorry. Then you put 3/4 cup of brown sugar. You can have 3/4 cup of brown sugar. It's like, count it. What? So
I think we have
1.
Two. It's taking a long time. I told you we had 3. I love like watching it like disintegrate.
We have like just enough.
Satisfying.
Okay.
Now we're going to mix it.
Mix them.
Add 1 3/4 cup of the flour. Very difficult to scoop it up.
Yeah.
Because it's in like a bowl and it's like spilled to the top and it's like,
It's so annoying. And I spilled a lot. I think I got it.
Make sure you
I think I got it, guys. I think I got it. I got it.
You missed some.
there. Okay, then you put in 1/4 cup of milk.
Now you need 1/8 cup of oil.
Oh my god, it's time for me to mix. I get a turn to mix. I'm mixing. Oh, I'm not mixing.
Oh, then you put 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Yeah.
Now you need 4 teaspoon of baking powder.
Not baking soda.
It takes a long time to get it out.
Yeah, since you're supposed to use the thing, but you don't use the thing. Yeah, she went away.
Okay. Now you add a pinch of salt.
Now I have to we have to restart. Oh my gosh!
Now you scoop it up. You scoop up the dough and put it on the sheet using an ice cream scooper. And yeah, preheat the oven to 350 and bake the cookies for 12 minutes. It's so crispy and hot,
big.
and it burns your fingers,
big.
but it's so good.
It's like so good. It's like the best cookie I've ever eaten.
It's like melts in your mouth and like makes your mouth feel so good. It's like I'm in flavor world land. If they're easy to make. They're so easy to make. Like we made it in like 30 minutes. It's like.
But what was that video about? It's like
and like I can't believe it. Like I made something.
Yeah, I'm not the
I did something productive out of my life. Like I can't believe it. It's like I made something.
Yeah, I'm not the
I did something productive out of my life. These cookies are melting in my mouth.
And they're like huge.
They're so big and so fun to devour.
And like some are crispy and some are chewy, but they're both
It's good. It's good.
I said it was